How we doing this morning, man? We got a lot of breaking developments, I'm telling you. I posted a trade earlier to take, and that trade fell through for about whopping 300 pips. It actually dropped down 600 pips, but I took profit at 300 pips. I'm gonna show you guys. Actually, it was the Great Britain pound versus the yen. But thank you guys so much for tuning in to the headquarters. Great Britain got so much drama going on, but this is the move I was talking about, though, guys. As you can see, that thing dropped overnight. It dropped so far down, man. What is this, around 12-ish, 10-ish, 10, 11, 12-ish, around this time. But you see, we bounced all the way off of this. We didn't like being down there. But they are predicting, like I was telling you guys, let me look here. I was telling you guys that the pound, could the pound ever reach parity? Please go back to my previous streams. And I was thinking that was super outlandish, man. But guys, parity is right here. After all that movement last week, Great Britain, I mean, they got some new leadership changing over, new president. They're actually going back a little bit conservative. So a lot of people were saying that they were going back in time and all that. But apparently that has caused a ruckus in the market. They actually said that they were going to raise 200. They were going to raise 200 basic points. I'm just looking. They were saying the traders are betting on the Great Britain pound, but I don't know. Look at my story. I pretty much screaming at the top of my lungs, you know. But we are at a retest. Let's go here. This is a retest. This is an opportunity for a sale. Look at the daily. That's all been wiped away. But this is an opportunity for a sale. I repeat. Let me make sure I got all my captions and stuff right, because this phone, yeah, it looks right. I gotta make the privacy public though. I want the world to see this. The world gotta see this, guys. Let's look at what. Let's look at the Australian dollar. How is it doing compared to the yen? This is how I get my sentiment for. It's a big confusion day, big wick fest. So what is the Nasdaq? The top 100 tech stocks. What will the Nasdaq? Oh, it's under pressure today too. Oh man, it may continue to fall. And it broke through my little resistance line here. Let's go down. Let's go down a couple notches here. Let's go down a couple notches here and see. Uh-oh. Eventually I'm gonna have to go ahead and buy that, man. Nasdaq ain't gonna move much, but overall sentiment, guys, what you think gonna happen here? There's a bunch of nothing, but this thing may go ahead and fall on down some more. But I'm not interested yet until we're gonna be looking at this pretty hard 9:30 Eastern time, which is in about an hour. But as you can see, I was pulled a short position right here, boom, and we still pretty much running. I got a runner, I secured a profit, but this trade is still live right here. I actually gotta check on my other laptop. Yeah, I'm mobile trading too, guys. One of the beautiful things about trading, you can trade from anywhere in the world. And yeah, I'm still visiting family. My mom's birthday is coming up pretty soon, so I figure I'll stick around and get on her nerves. But I'm a mama's boy. Let's go back and look at the Great Britain pound versus the yen. Now, this is what I'm extremely interested in. The yen just acted, guys. The yen just showed us immense strength. Okay. Yes, and the pound last week showed us immense weakness. Okay, we made about 300 pips earlier, rough, give or take, something like that. No, so and then I had a little. That wasn't nothing but a couple dollar pip, like $1 and some pip. So I hit them from like 300 earlier today. But we just gonna look, because look at this. Like, will this thing continue down? I'm not sure here. It will continue down though. Compare, yeah. Like on the day right now, the Australian dollar is beating the US dollar by well, no, the US dollar beating the Australian dollar by 40 pips. And the pound is losing to the US dollar by 60 pips right now. And that can change drastically in the blink of an eye. The cash equity market, the cash market has been open, 30 minutes or so? It opened up at 8 o'clock Eastern time. So, but you know, guys, we're just gonna sit here and watch this week's settlement. Guys, I'm not bullish on any equities. I'm not bullish on anything risky. All right, we looking at the US dollar, we looking at the yen, and we may even look at the Swiss franc. But as far as the pound, they have new leadership. It's like they elected a very conservative lady or something like that. She's like the lady version of Trump. So she's gonna reverse their policies and whatnot. So everybody may be having the jitters about it. But like I said, we make money off jitters. We made money last night off jitters. And that was a free trade. But if you can look at my post again, like I said, we're looking for a retest at 160 here. So I don't know what this wants to do. I'm trying to see into the future here, guys. And let me think here. Let me see here, man. Let's get a broader view here of this pound. What y'all think gonna happen, alright? Because it shot on down and tapped this right here. Well, it blew past that. The daily chart, as you guys can see, is so undecided. We put in a sale as soon as the market opened up, pretty much, like on some, not necessarily as soon as it opened up, but man, we put in a sale pretty early on in the open. A little bit before the China opened, for sure. When China opened up, that's when all the movement happened. But yeah, overall, this thing has been shooting up, but this thing is so undecided. I need to be probably looking at cable, pound GU. Yeah, the US dollar versus the pound. That's what I should look at here. This is what it's really fundamentally about, dollar strength. Because the dollar is beating the yen up. Oh snap, let me show y'all that. I mean, I've been winning that trade for so long, I can't even really. I've been neglecting you guys on updating about the yen. And I'm sorry I didn't give it a weekly analysis either. But I'm gonna be pretty heavy trading with y'all. So, oh, the NASDAQ just popped. What's this all about? This the top 100 tech stocks, alright? Well, it looked like it popped hard off my other computer. Now, that's what I'm saying. Don't be okay. Trading view, guys. But look, the NASDAQ popping. Man, if you ain't scared, you could put in a short pretty soon here. This really a no trade zone, but you know, if you want to get in ahead of the open, you can, but that's very risky because the open, that thing could pop so high. Even around this area, kinda. Let me get an overall look here though. Let me look at the hourly. Let's see if they make me scroll everything, man. Nah. So it fell off during the same time during the China. A couple hours ago. Well, it's been ranging, and we're actually at the bottom of the range right now. So we can see it shoot on up until we get about right here. And we can see if we can catch some rejection. Hey, you guys got anything you want me to go over, man? Just let me know, and I can go ahead and run it by you. But the Nasdaq is doing all right now, but it's gonna pump us up to the top of this range right here. It just looks so amazing on my other computer screen. I got it all zoomed in and whatnot. That's why I was so alarming. But yeah, we got the Nasdaq, and let's look at Bitcoin while we're at it. Bitcoin not doing very much. Not doing very much. Vladimir Putin said the big N word, and it wasn't nothing that offend me, that offend us. You feel me? It was that nuclear word. And yeah, all of that mumbo jumbo and all that, like I know that caused. Let me show y'all what happened Friday. This why I couldn't even get on. Like, man, look what happened Friday. Just complete sell-off. 300 something pips, man. 400 something pips. Complete sell-off Friday. So, how many pips is that? Man, let me get this thing up here, man. But yeah, that was a lot of pips, and we still see indecision. That thing fell down there so far. I want to know why I did that. Like, I enjoyed the money. Maybe there was a reaction still from Friday. That may be what it was, and now the market is trying to find itself. Because, man, that thing fell so far down, man. And we got a couple of it. Like I said, I posted that we need to be getting ready to take a short, wait for a retest. Now, if you wouldn't have already jumped in there, you can this is the retest that we're talking about. We're retesting 160, and I wanted it to retest 160 right quick. Go on, retest 160, see what we got, you know, see what we up against, and whop the bam. This thing looking good on the hourly chart as for a sale. It's looking good for a sale, man. Let me see what GU looking like. Cause I'm a little more comfortable. I guess I'd be a little more comfortable on GU. But it's all in the same. And I'm looking at the Nasdaq breakthrough resistance too. Let's go to the Nasdaq. I have to keep the Nasdaq up somewhere. This the money maker. Not necessarily through the roof, but we here. Not necessarily through the roof. But yep. Let's look at the daily chart. You can check your bank accounts and check your Robinhood. It ain't gonna be looking pretty. Let me take this off here so we can see something. Check your bank accounts and check your Robinhood, cause it ain't gonna be pretty. It's about to be the sell-off will continue. You look at these coins and whatnot. Whoa, you look at oil. Hold up here. I had to flood out my cash app. Now I'm trying to let me put more money on there. Oh, look, oil is at $78. Oil is tanking too, and nobody's talking about that though. That's really well. Yeah, oil. And oil is continuing to fall. How far down can oil go? Can we get it like how Trump had it? No way. Trump had oil to where they were trying to pay people to take oil. So we can't get it, you know. That's not practical. But look. Shouts out to oil. And gold is falling too. Gold is under pressure. It's look at this Monday right here. Typical Monday. It was a money making Monday though. You could have made some money. If you would have bought that dip on the pound, man, you would have been alright. I don't feel like scrolling and rolling. But if you would have bought this dip right here, hey, what goes up must come down, what comes down must go up. Yeah, that thing shot down, boom, and it shot right back up. And I was I was watching it, and I decided to take a nap. And yeah, I woke up during the London session, seeing that it wasn't nothing but mumbo jumbo. So I fiddle farted around and took another nap again, cause we already won for the day, but still. we got an hour left before the opening bell. And guess what the NASDAQ has done? As I anticipated, the NASDAQ has bounced off of resistance. I'm gonna be getting ready to pull the trigger soon on some on trade. If I can get in where I fit in. I wanted to, man, kinda shoulda look at that, let me give you guys a lesson here. When you see a candle with a wick like this at resistance, you guys know it might be getting ready to fall, because this momentum pushed it down, man. As you can see, that wick was filled, but it got pushed down. This is the 5-minute chart. Boom. Like clockwork. This is clockwork, man. You have to be a trader to see this. Thank you guys for showing up. Thank you guys so much for showing up, cause that's gonna set us apart. Ooh, man, this thing melting, man. That's what's up. That's all the way what's up. You guys, we see what we planning on doing here, guys. Planning on going short NASDAQ. Omari Robinson. Nah, man, it's a fake page. All right, though, I got thrown back because my cousin Omari sent me whatever, man. That's some fake page. Omari finna come home soon. But yeah, guys, what we got? Oh, I was getting ready to comment on here, looking to go short NASDAQ. Let me put it on YouTube too. Or can I just type it here? Yep, looking to go short. Let's do it. Cause this is yeah, man. Let me make sure I type this. To go short. See if I can pull it off here. Let's go though. Let's see. So I figured this thing was going show its true colors here. Okay, we got a little bit of resistance. Now we almost to the point where it's do or die, man. What's this brush? That's so thin. Why can't I make the brush a little thicker here? Or the highlighter a little smaller, but it's all to the good. Uh-oh. I'm looking to go short soon here. I'm looking to get burnt here soon, probably. If you gonna sell, you always sell the green candles, guys, for sure. Don't sell no red candle, cause you see what happened at the end of that red candle. It's gonna seesaw a little bit. Okay, I still got that up. I'm looking at USD JPY. Oh, which means the Great Britain pound. Oh, okay. The pound, yeah, the pound has shot up 40 pips on the yen. That's not the trade to take, boy. Why is the pound repairing itself so well after all of that drama? As I told you guys, the pound is actually designed to pump. Brexit, all of those all of those situations weighs very heavy on the pound, man. And the pound is just like I said, it's supposed to shoot up. So you can't expect for the yen to just dominate the pound unless, like, we had action by those guys, you know, by Japan and whatnot. But sheesh. I think, you know, with Japan acting, we're gonna be fighting Japan big time trying to buy this right here, cause Japan is fighting us back. But 144 was unheard of a minute ago, man. You know what I'm saying? So, and I'm hearing now on Bloomberg that the pound will now reach parity. Okay, guys, you know, if you know me, man, if you've been, and y'all been here with me too, some of y'all have been with me day for day, and you guys know how interested I was if this thing could touch parity. We have now reached that conversation, parity. I want this thing to touch parity because what goes up must come down, and what goes down must come up. Guys, do you know when things get better how hard the pound will rip? Like, the pound will rip like no tomorrow. But it has to touch parity first. We got to get all the drama out the way. All of the mumbo jumbo. All of the noise. So, who knows how long we'll have to deal with this. We got Putin, we got inflation, we got everything. So, but I would like to see this touch parity. Let's see how far down. Ooh, yeah, the pound is whipping on the yen like crazy, man. Somebody's happy about buying that. And the NASDAQ, it's time for me to get ready to go short. The NASDAQ is looking like a short opportunity. What must we do here, you know? I need to let me put something in the description here. Okay. We just sitting here watching and waiting. We just sitting here watching and waiting, man. Because we may see an opportunity. If it goes up a little bit, if it goes up a little bit more, you know, we can be looking into shortening it. What the world? It's God. You see? We missing it. I should put it in a sale right quick. But man, it's, you know, this yo-yo season. Don't really want to react too much off of emotions here. We don't want to react too much. Because we will have another opportunity. Yep. We just watching. When I take my eyes off of it, yeah, okay. We have entered indecision time. This is the top 100 tech stocks, guys. The NASDAQ 100. We're looking at the NASDAQ 100 versus the United States dollar. Oh, now they're telling, are we seeing the beginning of the end of the dollar bull run? Come on, we gotta stop it, because I'm waiting on the Fed to finish talking. I'm not listening to I'm not even looking at technical analysis like to stop buying the dollar. I want to really see, like, I need to see the Fed tell me that they're gonna stop raising rates. All right, let me see. babypips.com/learn. And put a dash here. Go to babypips.com to learn this. This is a free website. To learn Forex. Yeah, man, but you know, guys, I'm sorry if I ain't just entertaining like that. But with trading, a lot of the times we have to just sit and watch here, and we make money. But you know, we can't just. I could play some music, and I know I'm normally turned up in a sense, but we having a business. Like, we need to focus here. I need to focus. Miss a move. Let's look at the Great Britain pound here, because yeah, the Great Britain pound is surging off of that. It's like a slingshot and slung that thing. Man, yeah, I was telling y'all it's surging. I can kind of see it. Damn, yep, it just went up. Oh no. Alright, guys, the Great Britain pound is surging. The Great Britain pound is surging so hard. Wait a minute, the Great Britain pound. Let me, yeah. Now, are we being tricked into thinking that this thing, let's see the daily chart, might be getting ready to go short, shawty. It might be time to get ready to go short on this pound. Yo. We waited for it to touch. We waiting for it to tap 160. Retest 160. Please retest 160. I'm looking at. Hey, be careful right now, guys. Be careful. The pound is moving like no other. The pound is moving, guys. Be careful. Be very careful. Be very careful. Cause I'm trying to see. We got a this is breaking right here. Yeah, we just shot up 100 pips. All right, you would have, you know. Hey, play games, man. You trade what you see. I really wanted to go short, but I would have been like, I would have been under immense pressure. I can't handle 100 pips. 100 pips in the negative, I can't handle that. I don't feel like handling that. I hadn't handled nothing like that since I tried to short Bitcoin over the weekend last year. Lost everything. That's why stop loss is so important. Let me get ready here. I'm getting ready here, guys. I'm ready to go short on this pound. But I'm torn because I really want to do pound. Ooh, man. The pound is breaking through resistance, guys. Damn it. Ah, excuse my language, guys. The pound has moved. $160. Look, guys, look. Well, I don't even know if you guys can see that. All right, we got some major going on here. Hey, I'm on the load up and sell this. I'm loading up, guys. The pound is surging. I'm kind of at a loss for words here for a second. Let me see here. I'm getting ready to. I think it's time to pull the trigger, man. I think it's time. What? Come on, man. What do we have here, guys? Come on. Like, I mean, sheesh. Will you look at the pound moving? Let me look at the NASDAQ. Is the NASDAQ also surging? Yeah, okay. I'm still looking to get in short, man. I'm still looking to get in short. I'm still looking to get in short on the NASDAQ. Everybody be careful. Everybody take their time here. Because things are getting interesting. The market is moving. Let me make sure everybody knows. The market is moving. The market is moving viciously. Let me make sure I comment on here too. The market. I'm typing finna miss the move. The market is moving viciously. Oh, NASDAQ. Some big whale went and bought that dip. Talking about vicious movement. Vicious movement. That move right there. Hey guys, we making. Hey, this market is moving so hard right now that we just seen 100 pips within a blink of an eye. I sat there and watched that. You couldn't even catch that. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. Hey, it's money getting made right now. They saying it's turmoil and all that. Hey, man, money getting made right now. As a matter of fact, let me check Bitcoin. Cause Bitcoin might have popped like a, yeah. Bitcoin was down what? Bitcoin done popped almost a whole huncho. I mean a whole $100. I'm sorry. Whole $100 Bitcoin done popped. And I've been telling people, don't buy these coins and stuff. Hey, this right here finna fall back down. You can mark my word, this coming back down. NASDAQ coming back down. This gonna come back down. The Great Britain pound is gonna come back down. Oh, what do we have here? Man, that's what I'm talking about. Show me some wicks. You talking about? Show me some wicks. Show me some wimpiness. Oh, let me check oil ASAP. Somebody said look at oil off YouTube. Dang guys, oil is surging when I just hee and ha. But it ain't nothing. It went up a couple bucks. Oil at $80 is all good. Oil at $90 is all good. We got a little whiles to go before we can touch that. But this surge may be explaining the strength in the pound. I hadn't even looked at cable. I have looked at cable. I haven't even looked at the USD CAD. Canadian dollar folding right now. Let's go back to the yen. This is one of my most favorite. Now, this pair moves so fast, man. Like I just saw 100 pips. Just, man, that was just a blink of an eye. So let me see. I'm trying to prepare myself so that I can set my stop loss so fast it'll make your head spin. My stop loss gonna be set so fast. Okay, boom. You know, sitting over there waiting on that. I got my laptop set up too so that it's easier kind of. I mean, I can look at the numbers and type them in, but I would much rather drag my my whatnot. It's time to go short. What is the spread on this pair? It ain't that bad of a spread. I'm missing the move if I don't go ahead and act. I want to sell this so bad. trying to talk myself into this, but let's see if I could talk myself out of this. I already won my money for today, but I need to win you guys some money, right? Nah, just because I'm on stream don't necessarily mean that I have to take a trade. Oh crap, I clicked on something. The way that this market is ripping and just moving so viciously, guys, man, I don't really want to just get involved. But the way that it's moving and acting so viciously, guys, that makes me want to get involved. It should make you want to get involved. It should get you all excited as a trader. Get you all hot and bothered. Yeah, we're looking at the Great Brent pound at resistance. At resistance. We're getting close. Wait a minute, 9 o'clock. Dog, time been flying. I wonder how long I've been on this stream. Running my mouth. Oh, 41 minutes. Man, I streamed for a while, don't I? What's up, YouTube, man? What's up, Twitch? What's up, YouTube, Twitch, Facebook? What's up with y'all, man? Everybody holding it down today? Hopefully y'all are. Hopefully y'all starting the day off strong. And if you just tuning in, hey, I'm gonna have some news for you guys later on today. About to break my neck trying to see what they talking about. I'm watching Bloomberg Media, guys. Bloomberg Terminal. Bloomberg actually changed my life, you know. The average man, I think the average man should pay attention to Bloomberg. Add some things to your life. Add some topics to your life, because, you know, we don't have to sit around and talk about the same old things and talk about people from our city and whatnot. Talk about what everybody else doing. Let's talk about what China's doing. Oh man, look at oil steady pumping. Oh, my Great Brent pound trade would have been. Let's see if my head gonna hurt when I look here. No, it ain't much. I see a 20 pip. That's 20 pips right there, though. The pound could easily touch back up there. The pound could easily bounce back, but I'm thinking this thing's gonna fall here. GBP, JPY. I'm looking. Let's go out. Things are getting real here now, guys. Things are getting real. Put on your seatbelts. I just missed that move. Our stop loss could have been at break even already. Dang. I knew we was reaching a point of where it could turn around. But let's see if I was, because I mean, it's going to keep going down like that. What you trying to do? Like, no way it's gonna keep going down like that. Now we looking at the NASDAQ. Hey, y'all, don't forget, let me know if you guys want me to go over your favorite stock. We can look at Netflix right quick. That's one of my most favorite. 266. Let's look at the daily chart for Netflix. Netflix been a bad day for Netflix. NASDAQ may be a bad day. Apple is under pressure, but it's pushing back, bouncing off the day's lows. But Tesla is under pressure, immense pressure. So, what Doja Bank doing? Oh crap! I done lost my whatnot. Let me end the stream. Yeah, I'll be right back, guys. I'm not sure what just happened with my yeah, I'm gonna have to come back. Sorry about that. Sorry about my little tech difficulties.